Sports Minister Olivia Grange on Tuesday confirmed that the government has had to shelve plans to bid to host next year's World Relays after weeks of negotiations with track and field's world governing body, the IAAF.
There is not enough time or money to do everything necessary for Jamaica to host the 2019 IAAF World Relays after the late withdrawal of Caribbean neighbors, the Bahamas. That's the word from Sports Minister Olivia Grange, who says the government stopped pursuing the 2019 edition in the last 2 weeks following meetings with IAAF President Sebastian Coe, but will turn their attention to the next 2 stagings in 2021 and 2023.
Eventually, the President and I agreed that we may not have enough lead time to put everything in place. What the negotiations we were looking at, those arrangements weren't possible at this time, and that we probably should go back to the original plan, and that is to allow ourselves enough time to put things in place to host the event in 2021.
President of the J3As, Dr. Warren Blake, in Tuesday's Gleaner newspaper expressed disappointment that the government could not provide the financial guarantee of $6 million for next year's staging. But Minister Grange differs in opinion.
I see where Dr. Blake preempted me in speaking to the press. I thought that was a little unfortunate because we can either, a glass can be half empty or half full. So one can be either disappointed or one can express the fact that we have made a wise decision not to pursue doing it hastily in 2019, but rather allow ourselves adequate time to properly plan, to properly budget for the event, and to ensure that we are structured and well organized going forward.
Minister Grange also revealed that she's been given the blessing of Prime Minister Andrew Holness to fast-track improvement work on the National Stadium.
In fact, got instructions from the Prime Minister, a matter which was discussed at Cabinet, that we must fast forward on the plans for the development of the stadium because, for example, the Grand Gala event and during Boys and Girls Champs, we just do not have adequate seats. And so I have been given the mandate to fast track the development. So we will, in fact, be moving more expeditiously to get the overall development of the National Stadium on track.
You can catch the full interview with Minister Grange this Thursday during Iron Sports. Reporting for TVJ Sports, I'm Keon Reyna.